Okay, first of all, insert the USB driver installer. Click on USB driver. Run the installer. Finish. Okay. Now remove the USB driver installer. Then you can insert the installer from the pen drive. Click on install this, run this application. Okay, now click on finish. Okay, after finish the installation, make sure connect the MiniTest to the laptop or computer and run the application. So you can go to file and click on setting. Here you can change the unit and adjust the decimal point. On the interface section, open and select what COM appear on the screen. For export, you can choose which element can be exported. Now for this part is favorite directory for data export, where the folder for the data that been exported you can set, and you can also insert company logo for your report, and then click OK. And then you can select this MiniTest 7 USB adapter. Okay, before you start the testing on the MiniTest instrument, you have to make sure that you clear all the readings by pressing main menu, go to statistic and delete all readings. When the n is 0, that means the readings is cleared, and then you can go to active batch, configuration, and set the upper limit and lower limit for the testing. Lower limit, okay. Once the setup is completed, you can start the testing. We'll show an example how to export the reading to the software. Okay, reading number 2, press OK to save. Reading number 3, press OK to save. Reading number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, now I will show on the software interface how to export. Okay, after you have done the testing, come back to the software and click on this direct mode and click on this button to download the testing measurement value. So you can see here direct mode. This is the testing that I have shown just now, so you can just rename the file. For example, batch name, you can set the details. So it will show the calibration mode and the calibration point that have been used before the testing. It also shows the statistic. This is the readings. This is the histogram, trend diagram, and you can also add the picture for the testing sample and also notes